In this very lesson, you will learn the difference between savoir and connaître in French. Stay glued till the end of this video. If you've ever said je sais Paris or je connais nager, stick to the end of this video because this lesson will fix that. In French, both savoir and connaître means to know, but they are used in completely different ways. Use savoir when you are talking about knowing how to do something or even knowing a fact. Also use savoir for facts. A good example is je sais la réponse. I know the answer. Also use savoir before a verb. For example, je sais nager. I know how to swim. It is noteworthy to use connaître when you are familiar with a person, a place, or a thing. So you use connaître for nouns. For example, je connais Paris. I know Paris. Je connais la France. I know France. You also use connaître for people. For example, je connais Marie. I know Mary. Je connais François. I know Francis. Je connais David. I know David. Now, here are some common mistakes. You do not say je sais Paris. You rather say je connais Paris. You do not also say je connais nager. You rather say je sais nager. Now, here is a very simple rule. Savoir is used with verbs and facts. Connaître is used with people, places, or things. Here is a quick check. Look at the both questions. Je dash conduire. Je dash son restaurant. Fix the correct answer. Here are the correct answers. Je sais conduire. Je connais son restaurant. Je sais conduire, savoir, verbe. Je connais son restaurant, connaître, place. Remember that savoir is for skills and facts, while connaître is for familiarity. I hope you found this lesson worthwhile. Subscribe to Relis Academy for more structured French lessons.